Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create your very own avatar on Instagram. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video so YouTube can push it out to others who need this tutorial. So this is a new update on Instagram where you can now create your very own avatar for Instagram and Facebook. To create your very own avatar, first make sure you update your Instagram app. You can do this by going into the App Store and updating your Instagram app to the latest version. Once that is updated, go ahead and open the app. Then tap on the Profile tab at the bottom right, tap on the three lines at the top right, tap on Settings, then tap on Account, then tap on Avatar. You'll see this screen, a new way to be you on Instagram. Tap on Get Started. On the screen, first choose your skin tone. Next, choose your hairstyle. Then choose your hair color, and then go through all the other options of selecting a face shape, face marking, face lines, the eye features, your nose features, lips features, body type, and many other features. Next to your avatar, you have an option to open the camera option to compare your photo with the avatar. And once you're done, tap on Done at the top right. Then tap on Save Changes. And your avatar will then be ready for you to use. And that is how to create your very own avatar on Instagram. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.